See that sauce people and me, Mama Susie again. I see that sauce. Come in, Junior, show the people them the thing. You see that sauce, I zoom in on it. That sauce I name the famous sauce. I know me call it, so you know, the people them call it the famous sauce. It tastes so good, it make you want to slap somebody. But no, we party when we eat that sauce. Yeah. This are the party sauce. You know, see me. Look out feet on the market soon. All the video upon me now, no man. Look out feet on the market soon. That sauce I name the famous sauce by MSK, Mama Susie's Kitchen. And soon, we are going to put it on the market. When it drop on the market, it will go sell off, it will go shell down. Supermarket no good again. When me say internet no good again. When that sauce that drop, me say the whole world pop. Trust me, it's mad. Come in for the sauce again. Famous sauce to the world. Come on for me now, Mama Susie said that. Famous sauce to the world. Alright. We done talk.